Hey guys, it's Boban and I'm back with another quick video about Redbubble. So I got a few emails from Redbubble today and one of them is a correction to the first one, but I just want to go over this. So they are changing the fee structure from the 1st of September. So now a 50% fee for standard accounts will be applying, and this means if you make $40 from the account in a month, you will only get $20 of that. So they're basically halving whatever it is that you earn on top of anything they're already taking as well. And the other one is that there is now a 50% fee charged on earnings above the 20% markup threshold, which is their default when you upload a design. It will be at 20%. That is what goes to you as your earnings. So this is just very, very excessive. I don't think Redbubble is something I can justify using anymore now that they're doing this. I want to make sure that you guys are aware in case you have a Redbubble shop. I will be shutting mine down at the start of September. I just wanted to make sure that also, in case you did want to get any of my designs that I've got on there, there's quite a lot. People have bought quite a few over the years. I've been on this since 2016, so it's been nearly 10 years that I've used this. I really appreciate anyone who has bought stuff from here over the years. It's been really cool seeing people get shirts and stickers and show me what they've had from the shop over the years. So I really appreciate that, but I will be closing it at the start of September as these changes take place. Even if they walk this back, I imagine that they will continue in the future in this direction, because obviously this is a change that has just come in today, but I'm not going to stick around for this. I will be closing my account of almost 10 years. So if there is anything you want from here, make sure to get it now before I do delete that. I'm not sure what I'll be doing in the future for merchandise, or if I will be finding somewhere else to put merchandise. You know what? Here's some of the newer designs too. I did put up a lot of stickers of these Medusas. A couple of little JoJo's. Rouge, Mudang. I did a few. I guess I've been too nice this video also. Fuck Redbubble, dude. Yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye!